Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the Daily SPY report for Thursday, December 30th, 2021. Before I jump into the charts, just want to take this time to encourage you to please click like each and every time you watch the Daily SPY report. It does help me out a great deal with regard to search engine results on the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. And click subscribe. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel is an advantage for you in that you'll be notified each and every time new content has been uploaded by Wicked Stocks to the YouTube channel. That includes the Daily SPY report, the Daily Triple Q report, both of which go out about 6 p.m. Central Standard Time each and every trading day for the next trading day. We also have a weekly DIA, the Dow Jones ETF, a weekly IWM, the Russell 2000, and soon we've got a weekly Bitcoin. We also have once a week of free stock pick a week, and there are other videos that we put on a pretty regular basis. So it is to your advantage to subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel so you'll be notified of the content as it's presented. It is much more relevant when it's presented than even days later. So let's take a look at the charts. We're still in this sort of band of channel structure, 470, 469 to 478.79. We could continue trading inside this band for several more days. You know, we had 4 or 5 incredible days up, gap higher opens, follow through buying, a pretty vertical move off the lows from about a week and a half ago. So, you know, the market taking a breather right now is consistent with, regular market behavior. This is normal stuff. So volatility has contracted considerably. We could trade inside that 478.79 resistance to 474.69 support through the rest of the week, perhaps. But of the two, I still weigh 474.69 as the more significant, having settled above it on Monday. It did indicate for me bullish continuation over the next few weeks into the mid to upper 480s. You can see 487.63 as an objective. Now I say 2 to 3 weeks. This assumes, or at least allows for the possibility of continued reduced volatility over the next week or so. But were we to close above 478.79 today, likely by the end of next week, I would anticipate 487.63 or that rising channel top, which is more properly illustrated here because you can take into account that long-term trend line that is presently at 486.23. So closing, you can see on this chart, 474.69, we are in buy signal mode already. 2 to 3 week objective continues in the mid to upper 480s. And then a secondary buy signal would emerge if we close today above 478.79. And then I think we could reach that 487.63 formation by the end of next week. That area able to contain buying through January. It's performed well, the trend line at 486.23 since the September highs and containing buying on a 2 to 3 week monthly basis, let's say. Not only in September, but also late October, early November, we rallied to within 1% of it and backed off nicely. So it may do the same on the next attempt. But we are, there's no doubt about it, in the grips of a long-term bull market. And so closing above 487.63 is certainly possible between now and the end of January. And if so, we enter another phase of longer-term buying that should be more pronounced, more accelerated, and I would anticipate the 550s or higher over the following 3 to 5 months. Let's take a look at support and resistance for today. You've got the 474.69 channel top that we are above right now, can contain selling through next week, and above which, as I say, the 486.23 to 87.63 area remains a 2 to 3 week target. On the way up, you've got the extreme channel top I illustrated at 478.79. That's in reach today and able to contain daily highs. Now, if we push through 478.79, we are kind of in no man's land in terms of line studies and Fibonacci wave counts and so forth and so on. Each of those is something. 480.37, 481.70, and then 484.20. There's like nothing that I can find in the 482, 483 handles. So, I think we can at least say that pushing above 478.79 should yield 480.37 within the day. And as I say, closing today above that 478.79 structure should yield that targeted 486.23 to 87.63 region by the end of next week, where we can top out through January trade. Now, downside today, if we break 474.69 on an intraday basis, we should test 470.74 as the day wears on, and then closing below 474.69, 464.98, then likely within several days. By the end of next week, we could, and I think probably would, fall all the way to 460.34. And over the next couple of weeks, 3 at the very most, I do think that 452.68 channel bottom would be in reach. There's a lot going on the charts in the low 450s right now. That is just one of them at 452.68. So if we were to close back below the 474.69 channel top, we would, as I've been saying, be in the midst of a failed buy signal. Let's just call it a 2 to 3 week buy signal is still in play above 474.69. And if we close below 474.69, the market has rejected that buy signal. And in my book, a failed, meaningful textbook buy signal, which I consider this to be, is in itself a valid sign of weakness over a similar time horizon. And that's where I say closing below 474.69, you should allow for the low 450s as we continue into mid to later January, where the SPY can quite easily bottom out into February trade, and from there perhaps pull on up to new highs within a matter of weeks. I'm going to leave you with the support and resistance for today. I don't think I need to go over them any more than I already have. So please click like if you're watching this right now, the Daily SPY Report, each and every time, and subscribe. Subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. It'll provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded. The Daily SPY Report goes out by around 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, Chicago, each and every trading day for the next trading day. And that's all I've got. You have a great day, and we will talk tomorrow about Friday's Daily SPY Report. And that's all I've got.